Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. We're going to fly the SST. Enjoy the show. Such a joy to fly this plane, guys. If you ever get the chance, go online, go to Outer Zone and download the plans and build this plane. This plane's a really great plane to fly, especially in electric. It just flies fantastically. I'll put a link in the description box below. You can follow it and go online and download the plans. Go to your local print shop and have them print out the plans for you. Make sure they print them out to scale for you, though.
Frank, I'm gonna go get gas and go home.
Alrighty. Catch you on the next one, man. See you when I see you.
Enjoy.
Got a little gassy there, man. Exactly. Just load it up in the car. Cut back on the power a little bit. Down to 50% PSI, and I mean 50% power, 50% PSI. That's a stupid way to say it. 50% power, and now I'm at 50, and it just floats down. That was a close one. See if we can try this landing again. This plane just loves to float.
I let the helicopter guy fly it. He goes, holy jeez, it kicks out right before it hits the grass.
Floater.
That, isn't it?
Hey guys, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Model Man Frank out.